Hey everyone, I'm Rachel and I thought I would just give you a quick run through of what it looks like for a streamer to get set up using Entropy. Entropy is our new platform for audience interaction and channel monetization. And here's how to get started. So first you want to start by being live on YouTube. So right now I'm live. I'm using OBS. You don't have to use OBS. You can, you can use whatever software, streaming software you want, or you can stream directly through YouTube. As long as you're live on YouTube, you can use Entropy, no problem. And we'll be integrated with Twitch and hopefully some other platforms pretty soon. And so let's get started. So all you need to do is once you're live, just click Start Streaming on our website. Go to our website, chthonicssoftware.com, and click Start Streaming. So here we go. Now it logged me in automatically because I'm already logged in. But if it's your first time, it will prompt you to log in with Google, with a Google account. Make sure you log in with the same Google account that you are streaming from. And here we are. So before I grab the stream, I'm just going to go and show you the Layouts tab. So in Entropy, we try to make it very customizable. All the widgets can be resized, and you can change the color here. So you can change it to anything, I don't know, purple, blue, orange, whatever. And you can also, like if you picked a light color, for instance, you can also change the color of the font that shows up. And we also have here a banner widget that you can add in. You can put that at the top if you want. And let's see, I don't know, let's just pick a picture. Let's do the tree, that's kind of nice. And so there you go. You can shift it around, move it the way you want. And there you go. Now we also have a call-ins widget. So we have designed Entropy to have more widgets than you could possibly want. And so that's why you can actually close them out. They kind of stay out on the side. So if you are a streamer and you want to use all the widgets, you're just not sure if you want them on display all the time, you can go with a layout that has all of them. And then when you're live, you can just exit out of the ones you don't want in your way. And you can also create, so yeah, that's like a custom layout there. Now setting up a custom viewer layout is around the same thing. Now viewer layout looks slightly different because the widgets will be a little bit different. But it's still roughly the same process. I mean, everything can be resized or repositioned or anything you want. So let's go back now, and I'll just show you as well. So in the Settings tab, now if you are using Entropy for the first time, you definitely want to go here and you want to set a handle. This can be your channel name. So for instance, if my channel name was like Rachel's World, I could put that in here, and then my viewers would know that anytime they use this URL, so chthonicssoftware.com/entropy/your handle, they can connect to any live stream you have in Entropy. So this works not only for your live stream now, but any live stream in the future, as long as you don't change your handle. Obviously, if you change your handle, then you need to let your viewers know that you've changed your handle. And so we also have here, we have a word filter. So if you do want to ban some words on your channel, you can. It's a running joke that boots and cats are always the words that are banned on my channel, but they don't have to be, but you can, add in something else or whatever. And we also have here, this would show your moderators and your band. Right now I have no one banned and no moderators set on my channel, so they don't show up here. But this is just another way of just being in touch with what's going on in your channel and seeing who you've banned in the past and who's been your moderator. Okay, and then we also have OBS. So in the OBS tab here, this is if you are using OBS to stream, you can overlay all of our widgets onto your video. And it's really quite simple, straightforward. All you do is create a new browser source, give it this URL, and you can give it whatever custom CSS you want. OBS kind of has a default custom CSS. And if we go down here, you'll see we actually have a suggested CSS for some of the widgets. We may eventually add some custom CSS for the other ones as well, but that's what it is so far. And okay, so now when you're ready, once you've created your custom layout and you're all happy to go, all you do is click Get YouTube Stream. And see, it just pulled my stream automatically. We don't need URL, nothing. We'll pull it for you. And now here, you set your pulse emojis. So pulse is a feature that allows you to capture audience reactions. And it kind of gives you, well, a bit like a pulse monitor. It kind of gives you an overlay of what it would look like, what your viewer reactions have been. throughout the duration of your stream. And we have a bunch of options here. We've got some fun hand symbols there, but I'll just leave them as the default ones. And now here you pick the layout you want. So if you created a custom layout, you can pick a custom layout. Here's a stupid custom layout I created before. But anyway, I'm going to go with this one here because it has the call-in feature. And this one there. And then away you go. So all you do is click live and pass this URL on to your viewers and press OK. Now this is Entropy. I just made sure to quickly mute the video because I don't want it to play back over my audio right now. But this is Entropy. And now if I had viewers watching, you would see the interaction happening live here. So if I created like a poll, for instance, like, what is your color? And then like that. Okay. There you go. And then if you had an audience, which I don't have right now, you would see the answers coming in live. And so we have the chat widget with paid chats. We've got the call-in feature. When you open calls, viewers can submit their call requests. And they can submit a pitch to try to convince you on why you should call them. And then they're sorted by upvotes. We also have questions because we noticed a lot of streamers really struggled to keep up with the chat. The chat moves so quickly. And so we thought we'd pull out the questions. That way you don't have to send your viewers to Twitter or Facebook for questions that are pertinent to whatever topic you want. You can actually see them here. And those are also sorted by upvotes. And then we have a donations widget here as well. This actually will track your super chats. Okay? And it kind of totals it for you by currency. And this one is sorted by amount. So you can see the more expensive super chats first. And then you can also dismiss them as you read them. But if you want to see what Entropy looks like in action with an audience, you can check out my previous video where I actually show our last, it's highlights of our last live test where we were testing out call-ins. And yeah, if you want some of these widgets to be hidden, they're a bit overwhelming. You can hide them away for a while first, and then you can bring them back. You can reset all this live. And your viewers will be able to kind of play around with the layout as well. And there you go. That's Entropy, and that's how to get set up. It's as easy as that. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to get connected with us, please, I've included our Twitter and our Facebook in the description below. And as always, you can just go right onto our website and get started yourself. Thanks.